What up? And we're here. Started from the bottom now, we here. Started from the bottom and the whole team is here. Congratulations on coming. Alright, I got a question on YouTube on how to solve a system of equations. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm looking up and down at the question on how to do it. Okay, negative 2x plus 10. Now, what we've got here, these are two different lines. Okay, that's our coordinate plane, x and y. Now, what you have is you've got two lines. These aren't them, I'm just drawing two lines. What you're trying to find is where they cross. Where is the point where they cross? It'll be an x and a y. Now, guess what? Where those two lines cross, that's going to be the exact same x and y for both. So what you're going to do is essentially find the x and y from this equation that are the same. Okay, now there's a bunch of different ways to work it. I'm going to do it by just essentially the easiest way I think there is. We want the x and the y to be the same, right? If y equals all this in this equation and y equals all this in this equation, why can't I just set these two equal to each other? I can. So, I mean, right? Am I right? Okay, so I'm just going to set 3x minus 5 equal, like essentially dropping the y and putting them together. Negative 2x plus, that's x is all janky, I'm sorry, plus 10. Now I just solve for x. Okay, so I would get the regular numbers together. They're hanging out. What up? What up, regular number? Bring down everything. Don't skip it. Plus 15. And then I need to get rid of my negative 2x to get my x's together. So I'd add 2x to both sides. Okay, I'm going to move this up because nobody likes it when you draws it down. Alright, so, I don't know what that means. Okay, I'm sorry. So, bring everything down. What's 3x plus 2x? I'll give you a hint. It's 5x. This cancels out because negative 2x plus 2x is 0. So it's 15. I divide by 5 on both sides. X is all by its lonesome. And x equals 3. Now, that's not all, people. We found x. We got to find its little brother y. Okay? X is 3. Well, how do I find y? How do I find y, Mr. Tarver? I'm so scared. Right there. You see that little guy? We can plug it into either one of those equations, okay? So, I'm going to do that. So, I'm going to change colors so that you don't get more confused than I've been talking too fast. So, I can pick either equation, this one or this one. Honestly, I don't like negatives. Get out of here, you big goofy negative. I don't like you. So, we got y equals 3x minus 5. Guess what I'm plugging in for x? 3. So, plug it in for x. Solve it. That's y equals, that's 9 minus, what? Minus 5. See what I did there? 9 minus 5 is 4. Y equals 4. You would have gotten the same thing for y if you'd have plugged it into the other one, unless I messed up. So the solution is, not that, solution is 3, 4. That is the coordinate where those two lines cross. And that's called the end, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Okay? Don't forget to check out tarveracademy.com. I have a bunch of lessons there, and I've got them in order and everything, and also has links to some other stuff I've done. You can also go to tylertarver.com if you're just feeling crazy and want to look at something that's not mathy. Check me out on Twitter at tylertarver, and I'll help you out. Hope you guys have the best day ever. And you know what? Don't forget to tip your waiter. Turtles! Oh, turtles! Huh? Boy, minute!